歡迎收睇蛋撻 TV， 我係謝曼。印巴衝突升級，兩國空軍爆發近代航空史上最大規模、時間最長嘅空中混戰，雙方出動超過125架戰機，交戰超過1個幾鐘。最終，印度空軍有6架戰機被擊落，巴基斯坦零損大勝。究竟今次印巴空戰對世界格局產生咩影響呢？交俾蛋撻觀察員吉米。
大家好，我係吉米。今次印巴空戰損失最嚴重嘅唔係損失6架戰機嘅印度，而係法國。法國空軍驕傲，歐洲最先進嘅陣風戰機出廠以嚟首次被擊落，仲要俾巴基斯坦 triple kill， 一次損毀3架。而創造呢個空戰奇蹟嘅係售價只需法國陣風戰機1/6嘅中國殲10 C。印巴空戰效果仲誇張過直播帶貨，中國戰機首次實戰就 KO 西方最強戰機之一。啲陣風戰機買家見到咁嘅戰績，即時都選擇退單退貨，買爆 Made in China 嘅殲10戰機。
中國戰機真係好猛料喎，我都未食完碗咖喱啊！印度空軍最先進嘅戰機已經俾人擊落，美國佬吹我哋印度係世界第3空軍，有法國、俄羅斯最先進戰機，連國境都未出就落地成盒，唔通中國武器已經可以 KO 西方貴價貨？唔得，我哋都要練雜技嚟對抗中國武器。
呢個世界貴價貨唔一定有好嘢，但係中國貨一定靠得住。雖然紙面實力印度碾壓巴基斯坦，但係打仗唔同打機，靠買裝備係唔會升級，最緊要有經驗值。中國唔止賣戰機，仲包埋培訓。巴基斯坦飛行員人均訓練時間超過2000小時，有中國教官開班。巴基斯坦空軍素質拍得住世界級強國。西方軍事大國淨係賣裝備，連說明書都收埋埋。上到戰場實戰自然變炮灰，越打就越損失，越損失就越買，啲西方軍火商荷包自然就越肥啦。
Rafale versus JF-17. Who will win if India and Pakistan go to war? Both countries have nuclear weapons, but the real fight will start in the sky. After the Balakot airstrike in 2019, India upgraded its air force. They bought 36 Rafale fighter jets. These jets carry Meteor missiles. They can hit targets over 200 kilometers away. Meteor has become the backbone of India's air power. Now let's look at Pakistan. It relies on the JF-17 Thunder. This jet was first equipped with the PL-15E missile. That missile can hit targets up to 140 kilometers. The JF-17's radar can detect targets up to 150 kilometers. So, on paper, India had the upper hand. But then, a twist. China gave Pakistan the original PL-15 missile, not the export version. The real one can reach up to 300 kilometers. Even more than India's Meteor missile. But here's the catch. The JF-17 can't lock onto targets beyond 150 kilometers. So how do you use a 300-kilometer missile? Here comes the game changer. Pakistan's Saab 2000, an airborne radar plane. It flies with the JF-17, and it can detect enemy jets 450 kilometers away. When it sees a Rafale, it sends the target location to the JF-17. That means the JF-17 can launch its missile without turning on its own radar.
中國軍火一戰成名，除咗西方軍工大國震驚，嚇到坐唔穩嘅，仲有台灣賴清德同綠營。印巴空戰用戰績說明，殲10 C 加 PL-15連200公里外嘅標風戰機都可以輕鬆擊落，而福建到台灣最短距離只有120公里。殲10 C 只係中國戰機嘅入門級別，如果用頂級裝備，成個台灣都係中國空軍火力範圍。更何況台軍空軍冇陣風級別嘅戰機，只有上一代幻影2000同美國老爺機 F-16。至於飛行員實力，草莓兵可能仲水皮過咖喱兵。解放軍未出手，台軍自己都已經墜機好幾架。以解放軍嘅實力，甚至根本唔需要戰機起飛，就將台軍啲天價垃圾打成爛銅爛鐵。
綠營掏空台灣，年年軍費超支，只能夠買到西方國家嘅二手舊貨。中國連西方最先進嘅軍備都可以擊敗，台軍呢啲紙糊軍備根本就係自我安慰，最終只會自取滅亡，成為西方韭菜。蛋撻 TV，我哋下次見。